Okay, good morning, y'all. I need to get ready, okay? I look a hot mess, but it is June the 21st, and can y'all see me? It's June the 21st. I am getting ready for work, so I decided that I'll just go ahead and do a weekly vlog, and today I will take y'all with me to work. But as y'all can see, I got all these rollers in my head, so I'm about to go fix my hair, do a little bit of makeup, put some clothes on, and then head to work. I think I have 6 clients, but I want to take y'all along with me. So yeah, we're gonna go, okay? So stay tuned. I use Clinique. I love to use Clinique for my moisturizer. But yeah, I use Clinique, and sometimes I will use a oil, like this bio oil. I don't have much left. I need to get some more. But I like put it, I don't know.
So I'll put oil on them. Some type of oil or oil moisturizer. But I always use Clinique for my face. Or if I don't use Clinique, I'll use the Vaseline lotion. But that's only sometimes because the Vaseline lotion leaves my face oily.
We are done with my face routine. Okay, I'm sorry that y'all are at this angle, but I definitely do not have my chop pot here. So, but yeah, I'm gonna be wearing these with white top today. Okay, I actually ended up with these gray leggings on. I showed y'all the wrong ones, but it's the gray ones. What type of chop pot to use, because I even think the other one that I have is not going to give me the angles that I want because of the way I have to adjust it. Before I forget, let me show y'all. This is the deodorant I use. Native. These actually turned out good. I'm gonna have to show y'all my routine in about 2 days because I actually used some product on it this time and they turned out really good. And these fell, so those are definitely more loose, which is so annoying. So I'm actually trying to protect my hair, so I'm not going to use any heat on my hair. Probably till like I go somewhere. Super cute. This side though, that loose one kind of messed it all up, but it's fine. I really need to get my eyebrows done though, that's the thing. Ooh, I need to get them done. So I have an e.l.f. brush. I use e.l.f. and this is in the color deep brown. I usually get my eyebrows threaded. I do not get them waxed anymore on my eyebrows, so we're just gonna brush them. Get my phone. Put all these rollers up. But yeah, maybe I should do like a morning routine one day to show y'all what products I use and like for the shower and everything. My bag. I need to get my bag. I got my little fake Stanley cup. I didn't want the real one because I feel like it was just not for me. I feel like it's just a trendy thing, but I did get this one because for some reason I like Walmart brands and I like TJ Maxx brands. And I mean, I see better reviews versus the actual like trendy type of stuff. So I really go with the ones that have the better reviews. This is my planner, you guys. About to put my planner in my bag. I need to write some stuff down. And then I got my little highlighters and pens, AirPods, wallet in my purse, chapstick, keys. So what time is it? It's 8:40. I'll just put like a banana in my bag for a snack or something because I really could have curled the back, that one piece, because now it's kind of irritating me, but it's whatever. Anyways, I'm about to head off to the shop and I got everything Actually, let me get a clip. Let me tell y'all, y'all need to get a clip if y'all have like 26-inch hair. 28, I got 28, but 22 and up, y'all need to get a clip because this hair is no joke. Like, I be hot, like I just worked out or something. Okay, that's a little bit better. Woo! And I gotta go make this hair oil because my head is itching. I can't go any more days without no hair. Okay, y'all, so I am back at home and I have 3 more clients. I am making me something to eat because I'm starving. So I decided to make some taquitos and I eat those with guacamole. So hopefully this will hurry up because I'm trying to go. So don't judge me, but if y'all don't eat these or haven't tried them, y'all need to go get them right now. They're super good. I'm gonna take those with me and some of these. So call me a kid if you want to. I don't know if y'all like this, but I definitely love this right here. So I'm about to finish my food and then I will catch up with y'all back at the last shop. So stay tuned. Y'all will get to see my last 3 clients. They're all pretty cool. Basically, they're my favorites. I mean, everybody my favorite, but they're my favorites and they just happen to be the last 3 of the day. Continue to watch and I will catch up with y'all later. Okay, y'all, I'm about to call it a night. I'm done. I'm super tired. It is, what time is it? It's 8:38 and I usually don't work this late, but I was on TikTok live and that took out maybe an extra hour, I feel like. I'm about to go home and eat something and literally call it a night. Take a shower, watch something on TV and just go to sleep because tomorrow I have 3 clients so far, possibly could have 5. So tune in, keep watching, and we'll see what tomorrow brings, okay? Good morning, y'all. It is June the 22nd, Thursday, and I am getting ready for work. I woke up maybe like 15 minutes ago. My friend called me and we were just talking, so I was like, all right, let me go. I gotta do my hair and stuff. So I'm about to do my hair, maybe just like the roots, and then head off to work because it is 8, what time is it? It's 8:07 and I need to be at work by 8:30. So this is just a little quick hello goodbye. I'm going to see y'all at the last shop. So stay tuned and meet me at the last shop, okay? Darling, Lord knows I can give you all. But now you wanna make your campsite to go to the last shop. Make your summer special at the Kia. I gotta be there 8:30. The dependable Kia SUV or powerful sedan. Kia. Move that inspires. Call 800-333-4Kia for details. Always drive safely. Event ends 7. Other girls can't do it like I do it. Thanks, let me show it. Move it. These other. Actually, it was in like some curls. Good morning, Jaira. I was on yesterday, like last night. Okay, I just finished labeling my lash boxes, so I am about to head to work, and I was on live here too. So I'm about to go. Got my tripod because y'all know gotta stay hydrated, and I love this cup. Okay, as y'all can see, I did recurl my hair. I'm gonna brush them out here in a second. I use this keratin smoothing oil. I've been having this for a minute. I use this nourishing coconut oil. And then I'll probably use this on my argan oil, organics brand. And then for the curls to stay, I use this. And it's called Kendra. Is it Kendra? Yeah, Kendra. It's my first time using this. I actually like it. It has a little shine to it and it's like lightweight. And then of course first I use this heat protector. I use a hair clip so the curls could hold. I shop and I'll see y'all there. Hold on. Okay y'all, so I definitely forgot to pick the camera up and show y'all that I ended up making lasagna, and this is how it looks. It's very good as usual. But yeah, I made the lasagna and I know the camera was really shaky and y'all really didn't get to see me unbox my lash banner. So here it is. It's about like 7 feet tall. Super cute. I'm here around like 9 a.m. and I will catch y'all tomorrow, so tune in and don't go nowhere. Let me show y'all this eye cream, Revita Lift, and it's by L'Oreal. Because I'm gonna be live working today, y'all, so tune in at 10 o'clock Central. I'm in Dallas, Texas. I just hope the other side. And yeah, a lot of people always say like, I typed your Instagram name and I can't find it. Y'all be spelling it wrong. Yeah, these actually, the reason they turned out like kind of spirally is because I was twisting the hair as I twist on the flexi rod, and these are the sizes that I use. I actually like recording. I like doing the social media stuff, so I don't really complain about that. To incorporate myself because I actually like being in the camera. So lately I've been trying to record myself more because I feel like don't really be having my hair done, so I don't ever want to be in camera. Which one did you get? Let me know which one. I come out here asking for y'all. Like 3 people asked me if this is a wig, and I'm just like, no. Thank you, Kaylin. But check out Aerie or just like stuff is definitely from just vendors from Oha Camera. I'm about to blend the bottom. I'm about to blend that right now. I use Elf. They got laminated in the remover, yeah. Oh, the back looks good, y'all. Now the bottom. Lashes now. And let me put all. I am done getting ready, y'all. This is my light B. I literally only have blush on and lashes and lip gloss. But I used the flexi rods. They turned out very, very cute, and I still have a piece of my hair like twisted up because I'm waiting for it to dry, and then I'll untwist it. Finally made it. Okay, I'm about to go get some gas and then we will be at the last shop. I'm gonna stop by Starbucks as usual. Really, I've been actually staying away from Starbucks, but I'm gonna stop there today. I didn't have time to make anything and I had to throw out my coffee because I took too long to go buy some creamer, so I feel like the coffee wasn't as fresh because it's been like 3 or 4 days. I'm gonna head to my mom's house to go get Zeke. I miss him and my family is sick of him right now. But yeah, I miss Zeke, so I'm about to go get him. I feel I can follow a bitch. They trying to get to a point where bitch go out and shit they respect. Yo. Like, don't be putting your hands in your pockets and stuff in your hand and land food. Like, I did not get my rest. Bro, what is going on? Thanks. You too. Finally. We want to leave. So good. So good. Hold on, what is Ulta, Sephora, or Dillard's? Yeah, that's what I get too. I'm just like, as y'all can see, I definitely had an outfit change. I was done with the big earrings. I was just done. Took my lashes off. I am drained. I'm just in really, like, I'm in a real chill mode. I'm about to head to my lash shop, and then from there, I'm going to go get Zeke. I have one client. I'm about to do a volume fill. This is a cute little red shirt. I would probably wear this with some jeans, some light wash jeans. It's really cute. I got it from Forever 21. I'm gonna probably cut this one and wear it with some high-waisted shorts, like black shorts, and some heels. But I'm gonna cut this so I can have like a little bit of cleavage and my necklace on. And the last little shirt from Forever 21. The last shirt I just showed y'all that said Blondie came from Nordstrom's. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. It is June 24th, 8:15 a.m. I have a client at 9:30, but Zeke is now here. He's about to go outside. He sleeps in his cage, so don't be trying to call no P-Doo on me. But he sleeps in his cage. He's okay. Just kidding. Say hey to the camera, Zeke. Say hi, Zeke. Say hi. It's nasty nose. He's so chill. I'm not even gonna wear a hat. I'll just wear this nappy leave out. Time to go. Really want this Chick-fil-A. So I don't know if I should drive over there and get it or not. I forgot my chapstick. I don't have time to go over there actually. Ugh, it sucks. Actually, I think I do. I'm just gonna go. A cup of ice with fruit. Good morning. It is June 25th. It's Sunday. I'm about to head to my parents' house. And that's really about it. I'll be on my laptop all day doing content and other stuff that I need to get done. You know something? Pretty chill today. White shirt with my Crocs. What was I about to call my Crocs? Clogs. My husband. Sarah and that'll be all. Yes. Thank you. I have to unlock it. Event this one. Have a great day. Did you eat them? No. I was like, whoa. Ah! And people kind of want this, but I'm not gonna get it. Sheep. Allergic to what? What's the dog did? Where's the dog stuff? See. Okay, they have a lot of options here. They have a lot of dog bed options. He has a huge bag of food. Oh, see, this is a good size right here.
Good morning, home goods shoppers. Did you find that perfect rag?
Like, this brand is good. Ooh, let me see it again. Wait, go slow with it. Oh, you show off. I'm kidding. It's just dunk. People are gonna say something regardless. You can miss it and fall, they're going to say something. You can make it and walk off, they're going to say something. Orange mango. That's definitely not irritating.
Rainforest, like. I ain't saying nothing. Goes up and tell us stuff. No, she did not.
Cute. It's a black Nissan. A what? Huh? What kind is this car? Anyways, this is the inside. It's cute. Her first car, okay. Better than my first car. All right, little screen. So the seats look comfortable.
I know.
Let's check the back out. Nice tires, okay. Brand new tires. Rims are nice. Okay, okay. You gotta get it shampooed. The seat shampoo. You're cool now?
I don't think I'm cool. I think I can trust myself to drive by myself, but I need an adult with me because I can't drive.
So you don't.
See you in the back.
I need some air. New charger, okay.
So, dog. It's 3 days. This
I'm turning.
right behind this car.
I'll do my eyebrows though. I do need to do my eyebrows.
Hey y'all, my name is Tiara and Spicy Chicken Biscuit.
I'm headed out. Outfit done.
Don't really wanna lose this moment. While window shop.
Okay, I found the tripod, y'all. I found it. It's the 26. Because they're thin. Put those little, just put it like that or the. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you want to get those. It looks straight. That's crazy.
60.
Huh? Oh, yeah, the camera. Oh, you want to stop the camera now?